Course B1P24. Revolve with multiple contours. Extrude until selected. Check number of bodies. The course shows new possibilities, but also problems, in selecting sketches for the Revolve command. The spoke is created with the option until selected, and for the first time, in the Extrude command, it has to be specified manually to which body the spoke should be connected. And finally, the number of solids is checked and also corrected. Revolve with multiple contour trains. To create a simple cylinder with the Revolve command, a single line is enough. It is therefore sufficient to sketch only the outer contour. However, only with a rotation angle of 360 degrees will the end faces be closed. And with an offset, you can create a wall thickness. Let us undo. If an open and a closed contour are selected at the same time, however, only the closed contour is adopted correctly. The open contour train must be selected manually, for example with the connected curves option. If there are several contour trains, it is therefore advisable to work only with closed contour trains. Create base body. Therefore, create a closed contour train for the hub and the ring as a sketch. Then start the Revolve command. Two bodies were created at the same time. Extrude until selected. Place the sketch for the first spoke on the YZ plane. In the Extrude command, select until selected as the end and select the ring as the boundary. Select target body. Select unite as the Boolean operation. If there is already more than one body, the target body must be selected manually. Optionally, this body or that body could be selected. The counter remains at 1, because only one body can be selected as the target body. Since the last two bodies were created at the same time, it does not matter which body you choose as the target body. Now you can pattern the spoke. Check the number of bodies. To check the number of bodies, deselect the timestamp order in the part navigator. There are still 2 bodies because only one target body could be selected in the extrude command. Clicking on the entries highlights the respective bodies. Start the unite command and unite the 2 bodies. Remaining work. Now the location hole with the keyway can be created. And finally the edge blends.